193 to 195. Additional sports play-by-play can be found on XM 196 to 198. SEC football and basketball play-by-play is on XM 199 to 201. XM 203 features Big East football and basketball play-by-play. NHL Home Ice on XM 204 is your 24/7 home for hockey, featuring NHL Commissioner Gary Bettman's weekly call-in show. Find NHL hockey play-by-play on XM 205 to 209. XM 231 has Big 12 football and basketball games. NBA games are on XM 232 to 236. Sports schedules and other live sporting events like English Premier League soccer and Formula One racing can be found on XM 237 to 239 and 241 to 246.
To see all the channels in our sports category, choose categories on your XM radio and scroll to sports. Now here's what's on all our talk, news, and NPR channels.
XM 96 is Canadian news on Canada 360. Hear the major news channels through your XM radio. Fox News, XM 121 features Fox and Friends, Sean Hannity, and Bill O'Reilly. CNN XM 122 includes Anderson Cooper, Larry King, and Wolf Blitzer. And HLN XM 123 has the latest news and views. Guadeloupe XM 125 has Canadian news and entertainment in French. CNN in Espanol XM 126 is your news in Spanish. The latest business and financial news is on CNBC XM 127 with Maria Bartiromo, Aaron Burnett, Larry Kudlow, Mad Money with Jim Cramer, and more. XM 129 is Bloomberg Business Radio. POTUS XM 130 is Politics of the United States for the people of the United States, with news shows like Morning Briefing, The Press Poll, and Stand Up.
Run. And this nigga, I know he go boom, boom. Yeah, he go boom, boom. It'll give you time to nothing. Yeah. Better than they wanna fucking do.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wait by the I'll wait by the fax and I'll call you back. Alright, I'll call you back once I realize.